Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of are you doing very well. Children, as you can see, I have taken today Oxford Advantage Little Champs Plants and Animals. And in our general awareness, nowadays we are talking about animals. First day we have discussed about different kinds of animals, right? Domestic, pet, wild. In the next session, I have told you that usefulness of domestic animals, how domestic animals are helping us. Then we have spoken about crawling animals, and today we will talk about insects. Insects. First, let me tell you what. First, we will see who are insects. Okay, in your book, few pictures are given like butterfly, ant, mosquito, spider, cockroach, fly. All these six animals you have seen. Yes, everyone has seen butterfly, ant, mosquito, spider, cockroach, and fly. Other than that, there are lots of insects. I will show you picture and we'll talk about them. But why these animals are known as insects? When we are talking about types of animals, we have not spoken about insects. Because children, insects are totally different. They are very small animals. You know because you have seen all these six things, right? They are small, very small, and they have such specific characteristic means they have such specific features, means they have for example, they have six legs. Yes, most of the insects have six legs, and a few insects have wings, not just like butterfly, fly, mosquito. Now butterfly has only wings, but mosquito and fly along with the wings they have their legs also. And even cockroaches also have legs, and cockroach has wings. So cockroach can't fly like butterfly or mosquito. It can fly a little bit. Okay. But whereas ant, spider, they can't fly. They can walk only through their legs. So insect may have wings, may not. I will show you more insect picture, then you will understand. One more thing, always remember, insects have no bones. Insects have no bones. Till date, whatever animals we have discussed, everyone is having bones. But insects don't. Remember, this is the first four things you remember. Six legs. Some insects have wings. Some has wings and legs both. Some has um, antenna. Yes. You might have seen when we draw butterfly, we draw something here. Caterpillar also. Yes. This is called antenna. Yes. They have antenna also. Few are having, not all. But every insect has one common thing. What? Two common things. They are very tiny, very small animals, and they have no bones. Insects में bones नहीं होते हैं. Okay? Till date, whatever animals we have discussed, everyone is having bone except insect. Okay? Now, I will show you few more pictures of insect that you might have seen, might have not. Okay? So, let's see. Yes. Honeybee. Everyone has seen honeybee. Honeybee is one of the insect which is having wings, which is having antenna, and which is having a very sharp thing behind it, which when if you want to catch it, they will hurt it by themselves. Okay. Now the second one, ladybug. Everyone has seen ladybug, haven't you? It is a red body and there's a black circle is there. Okay, one more, actually two more things I want to show you. That is, one is dragonfly. You might have seen sometimes dragonfly enters in our house also. So just keep an eye. If you have not seen till date, just tell mama whenever there will be a dragonfly in and around you, she will tell you. And this is Beetle. Beetle is one kind of ladybug type, but it looks different. Ladybug is red color. This is, you can see, light brown color. And one more is grasshopper. Children, I am sure few of you at least seen this grasshopper. This is full green color insects, and whenever it sits in an angular way. You can't see grasshopper is sitting in this way. It is always sits a little bit angular. So when next time, whenever when you see grasshopper, just observe. Okay. Now children, one thing I just want to tell you about insect. All insects are not harmful. In fact, butterfly is very beautiful. We know that. Even if you don't disturb a honeybee, they will not disturb you, right? Yes, but few insects are there who are actually uh, they they harm us, like mosquito, fly. You know, mosquito bite, so it can cause dengue, malaria, so many diseases are there. And fly is very dirty animal. Is insect, it sits on dirty things, and then if it sits on a food, it will, they actually when they're sitting on the dirty things, na, they are actually putting their 6 legs on that. So after that they fly and they come and sit on our food items, so it get infected, we may fall ill. That's why mama is saying, na, eat your food fast, otherwise flies are flying here and there. So they will, if they will sit on your food, then you can't eat it, right? Similarly, ant and don't harm you until unless you will harm them, right? Spider also, they don't interfere. So these all animals, this all kind of insects is not going to harm you until unless you will tease them. Yes, cockroach is another insect which is very dirty and which is not good for health. If you say cockroach is at your place, it is not good, because cockroach, flies, they love to stay in dirt. So that's why these are very harmful insects. But whereas butterfly is very beautiful and is helpful. When you will grow up, you will know how butterfly is helping us for butterfly only. There are so many flowers, so many fruits are growing. So you will, when we will grow up, you will get to know. And honeybee, I have shown you honeybee, right? How honeybee helps, you know, we get honey from the beehive. So this insect actually helping us. So some insects are helping us, some insects are beautiful, some insects are dirty, and some insects are not harmful until unless you will tease them. So children, as I always say when I am discussing animals, don't tease animals, right? What, any kind of animals, don't tease them, don't misbehave with them. Okay. Now we have learned about insects. Now what we will do, children, page number 50, we have done the first part, that domestic, what we get from the domestic animal, match. Now the second part we have to do. Can you see this? This is your book, theme 3 book, page number 50. You have to join the dots to complete the picture. So when you will join, you will get an idea. Is it an animal? Is it an insect? Is it a bird? So you will get an idea, and according to that, color it. You have to identify after joining the dots. And how you will joining the dots? You can see numbers are there. So you have to do forward counting. From 1 you have to start, and when you will join the numbers according to the join the dots according to the number, you will get an idea. What is it? An animal, a bird, or an insect? Okay. Now we will do next page. Write C for crawling animals, I for insects, and D for domestic animals. Now you have seen there some pictures are there. So take your pencil and start. what you have to do, you have to recognize the picture. First picture is a alligator. So alligator is a crawling animals, insect or domestic? It is a crawling animal. So you have to write C in the circle. Children, I have written, I know this it has not come properly as ma'am is using virtual brush, but you have to write within the circle. Now next picture is a cockroach. So cockroach is an insect, crawling animal or domestic? We know it is an insect. We will write I. Similarly, we can see cow. Cow is a domestic animal, a crawling animal or an insect? Domestic, right? So you will write D. Understood? Now remaining you will do C for crawling animal, I for insect and D for domestic animal. Okay children, so let's start your work. So first what you will do, first you will complete page number 50. Yes, then you complete page number 51. Till then, bye, take care.